Welcome to the Monaco Yacht Show. This is the industry highlight of the year, and we are very pleased to be here for the 10th year in a row exhibiting with our stand.
We are happy to see increasing interest and awareness in cybersecurity this year.
I'm very excited to be here at the Monaco Yacht Show together with our authorized reseller OmniAccess. It's so great to see how our brand is performing and how people desperately want to use our services and are satisfied with it. And I think it's really great to see that OmniAccess created a value proposition to integrate our services in the total package, and customers love it, and just amazing to see this one. Yeah.
Unity is your possibility platform on board. With Unity, you can enable your digital transformation by virtualizing many different applications into a single platform.